Travel whenever you want. Record good things. Its portable and foldable design meets the needs of fast travel. Excellent GPS positioning can accurately reach the ideal position. Free switching dual cameras take you to appreciate more different journey style. Flight is flexible but smooth due to a streamlined fuselage design. It can sense the signal source in real time and follow it intelligently. Innovative gesture instructions, free from complex physical manipulation, make photography and video recording more arbitrary. Free flight explores unknown possibilities. Adjustable 4K camera make the original limited vision more broad and flexible. And 360-degree circumferential navigation. Functional mode of fixed-point trajectory flight will bring you more diverse flight experience. The 30-minute super long flight time makes aerial photography more enjoyable. At the same time, the one-click return flight ensures the safety of every flight. If you want to encounter more impossibilities on the journey, take it with you.